Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Slack app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to, when you just click on it here, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just come here to set yourself as away. When you just click on it here, so then it's going to show for you here away, like you say, set yourself as away from your account. So that's all you have to do. That's all, just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. Thank you for your watch.